Vogler, and I'm the chief engineer of the new Astra. Once you, as a team, are bold in your attitudes and decision-making, out of that character comes the right car. You have so many variations how you can make a car, and you feel in a comfort zone. But this is not the job. It's not the easy choices, it's the difficult choices that make the better car. The iconic Pure panel paved our way to the future. We decided for very high-tech material, magnesium, and this gave to the whole component a completely different stiffness level. We did not make any compromises on the technology. We have put exactly our vision of futuristic technology, high-end, non-expected in a compact segment feature into the car. After going through the whole creative process of engineering and of designing, the car materialized. Without such a dedication, we would never have seen that moment. And what we saw is what we dreamed about. This is the new Opel Astra, developed in Germany.